Well, we're here to support Gen 3 in the opening of their new tech centre. We've been working with Gen 3 since 2008. In 2019, Gen 3 won our Distributor of the Year award. We've been working, selling machines to customers throughout the UK, Europe, North America, Asia for about 30 years. We manufacture AOI, SPI, 3D SMT AOI, through-hole component and solder joint inspection. It's great. It used to be that we had to put a machine in the back of a car and drive around the UK. It helps us to have a centre where we can bring a customer in to see an inline machine rather than a desktop, which most customers prefer to see an inline when they're purchasing an inline. But we've also recently introduced our 3D machines for THT solder inspection. Some improvement in our AI improvement on our SMT AOI. We use almost fully automatic programming using AI, and we've introduced a new what we call the Verispector, which is for through-hole component pre-reflow inspection. So if you ever misplace a component before it goes through the wave, you can fix it before it becomes a problem.